Kia ora, Cancer. Thanks for joining me. I just unfortunately got COVID, and so I've been pretty sick all week, and now I feel sort of okay. So apologies for the reading. It's been late. There are 5 signs that I'm just doing today for the full moon that was in Capricorn on the 13th, 14th. So we're just doing these readings today, Cancer, so thank you. These are intuitive tarot. Take what resonates, leave what doesn't. We've got we've got 2 big kahunas here with a wonderful card in the middle. We've got the Hierophant. I often think mentorship, information of the spiritual nature coming through for you and to you, for you only, Cancer. We've got the 6 of Discs, a beautiful flow state. This is generosity. This is a deep purse, and in that there's a balance that gets generated. You know, if we can find that fine line. I do look at it like a fine line because it's a sort of some sort of cosmic balance. And then we have the beautiful Empress, mothering, lovely, gorgeous, creative, just amazing. Again, flow. I do get this waterfall, you know, this open heart. Very important to have an open heart. We don't have to tell everyone our business, though. You know what I mean, Cancer? It's no one else's business except ours. Okay, let's look at the Hierophant. Let's look at the Hierophant, and I hope you found that. I've just got too many cards coming up. The full moon in Capricorn was pretty electrical, wasn't it? Pretty electric. Here we go. Transformations. Transformations. Or transitions. Moving through a kind of changeover. Moving through what may feel like a kind of liminal space at the moment, Cancer. But these liminal space, we aren't within that for too long. Let's just, wow, we're actually entering on a 6 of Swords into probably a lot of a calmer place psychologically with that beautiful 6 of Swords. Psychologically, and possibly we're seeing this in our world with the beautiful 2 of Cups, the most balanced, reciprocal, harmonious card. And actually it's Venus in Cancer, isn't it? This card, I do think. Beautiful. And we'll look at the Empress. It's a bit of distractions. Here we go. The Empress. Wonderful, vital, life force. Life force. Here we are. Ace of Wands. There's something, there is something within this wonderful expression of your, of a sort of, without lacking what am I talking about? Without there's no self-conscious element to this. There's a great opening of your heart, Cancer. A great opening. And what it's actually fueling and bringing in is this beautiful ace. It's a beautiful card. Look, there's too many distractions. I apologise today. What do we got? We've got an Art Oracle card, Cancer. But what it looks to me is that you're moved through, and something spurred that on. You know, you've moved through a sort of liminal space of transition. You're in an incredibly balanced position and feeling more secure, feeling very safe. So there's an enabling of the heart center to open a little bit more, which is bringing this amazing ace into your life. You might start seeing it in the form of other people, or yeah, it's really amazing. Anyway, we've got an Art Oracle card. We've got a beautiful mineral spirit card. So I'll read this out. Spiritual insight, creativity, psychic protection, and courage. It's like the big kahuna, actually, of a lot of very, when we look at the most well-known, I guess generally, even if you're not interested in stones or crystals, that the amethyst is a pretty is quite a powerful sort of activator within the intuitive mind. And then we have Go Far to Go Far. This is Paul Gauguin. Go far to go far. Life, work, inspiration. Exaggerate the subtle, share the unseen. This is what artists do. Only an outsider sees inward. There we go. Now, if that rings a bell, well, that's a good thing. Anyway, Cancer, thanks for your patience. We will be back on the 28th of July for the new moon. And what is the new moon in Leo? So we'll see you then. In between times, do take care. And we'll see you then. Ka kite, bye.